po sure. Feeling ko po opo. Sobrang gastos ko na po. Kaka-start pa lang, gumastos na ako. For now po, hindi po. For now.
Hindi po kasi minamanage ko po yung mga expenses ko sa sarili.
Ganun talaga pa. Magastos pa rin po. Ay, nadala na po ako last year, kaya mag-iipon na po ako ngayong taon. Mag-iipon. Pero ititreat ko pa rin yung sarili. Ipon muna po talaga.
Ang masasabi ko po is mag-ipon po.
Siyempre po, mag-iipon na po. Pero babawasan na rin po yung online shopping kasi doon po talaga yung nalalaan yung budget ko.
Hi! Sa mga nagbabalak dyan na simulan or i-continue yung pag-build ng kanilang financial goals, or sa mga hindi pa alam kung ano yung gagawin nila sa pera nila this 2024, I recommend investing it in the stock market. Bakit? Number one, as of end 2023, the local market is at a PE ratio of 13.2 times. Take note, ito na yung naging lowest ni market since 2009 wherein its PE ratio was at 12.6. At the same time, kung i-compare mo yung PE ratio ni local market sa PE ratio ng kanyang regional peers, karamihan sa regional peers natin, mas mababa si local market. So what is this telling us? What it's telling us is that the local market is at bargain levels. So it's attractive. Now, if we're gonna talk about prospects, well, let's be honest. May mga challenges pa rin. We still have inflation, especially with the El Nino. We also have high interest rates. But, based on our projection, nakikita naman namin na the economy will still grow and at the same time, it will be resilient this 2024. At the same time, we still project our companies to maintain a sound financial performance. So given these, I believe this 2024 is a good time to invest in the stock market.